Hello, I'm Marcus Cornwell from Celerity DRS and welcome to the second in our series of Pressure On. Today we're going to talk to you a little bit more about the potential return on investment of an ATIS system, again specifically in regards to commercial trailers. You might remember in episode 1 we talked about the difference between TPMS and ATIS, but we're often asked what's the potential return if I fit an ATIS system to my trailer. So we have one specific end user that works within the scrap metal industry. As I'm sure you can imagine, they receive a lot of punches as a result. So they fit the system because it constantly maintains optimum pressure, even with a puncture. So it actually means that they can repair the tyre generally because there's no damage to the casing or the side wall, as opposed to having to replace it. Now their repair costs are around £50 as opposed to a new tyre at say £250. So there's a massive cost saving for them on that side. We also have a number of end users, some within the parcel carrying industry, some who are carrying perishable goods and some carrying expensive goods as well. So for those guys, if they have multiple legs of a journey, there's no risk of that trailer missing the second leg or even having to be sat at the side of the road in the event of a puncture. There's also no call-out fees with that example as well. And finally, we're maintaining optimum pressure as we've described before, so there's no risk of any damage to the trailer as a result of a blowout. So that's the third point where we can really see a saving. Hope that gives you more of an idea of the potential return we can get by fitting automatic tyre inflation systems. We'll have a new topic in episode 3, so we'll see you next time. Thank you. To find out any more about the system and about ourselves, then you can visit us at celeritydrs.com, or you can search for us on the socials, on LinkedIn for instance. Again, if you search for Celerity DRS, you'll find us there. Thank you.